How to download HDFC credit card statement. First of all, log into your HDFC Netbanking account. Once logged in, look at the top menu and click on the cards option. After that, you will find the credit card section in the left-hand menu. In the left menu, look for the Inquire tab. Click on Inquire and then select View Statement. Now, choose the credit card for which you want to view the statement by clicking Select a card. Then select the billing period or month for which you want the statement. You cannot view the current month's statement until your bill is generated. The bill is usually generated on your billing date and the statement will appear in your net banking dashboard a day or two after it's emailed to your registered email ID. After selecting the desired month, click View. You will then see the option to click to view or download your statement. Click on Download and your credit card statement will start downloading automatically. Once downloaded, open the file to view your complete credit card statement easily. And that's it. Now you know how to download your HDFC credit card statement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.